Good morning, everyone. Well, welcome to Friday. Today is going to be a fun Friday, but it's going to be fun and challenging Friday. So, you are going to do three activities today, and those activities are going to be fun, but at the same time, kind of a little bit challenging. So, let's start looking at what you're going to do. Let's start first. I would like you to go over the vocabulary because yesterday I was checking some of your work and you were, well, of course, you gave me different minutes, which is okay because some of you were checking in different resources, like maybe a dictionary. But what the meanings that I gave you, the definitions that I gave you, are the definitions that we are going to use and we're going to work on the unit. So that's why I ask you to use those definitions. Okay, so this is what are we going to do. First, let's go over the vocabulary. This is the vocabulary unit 4 we worked yesterday. And we had the word explore, magazine, endanger, competition, gift, look for, win, and collect. Yeah, what were you supposed to do? What I asked you to do is this. You were supposed to, sorry, just look at the word and search, find the meaning here. Mire la palabra y encuentren el significado. ¿Ya? Por ejemplo, en gift. Gift, el significado que les da unidad. You eat the birthday cake and you get a gift. Eso teníamos que poner en su cuaderno. Gift. You eat the birthday cake and get a gift. ¿Sí? No necesariamente tenían que hacerme esto. Algunos estudiantes lo hicieron, lo cual es perfecto. Perfecto. Les ayudó mucho posiblemente a identificar. That was a good strategy. Okay, look for. Look for. You to go to new places and learn new things, or to when you lose something, you blah blah blah. Explore. I mean, we're looking for look for it, right? To go to new places. No. When you lose something, you look for it. So, look for goes with this definition. And explore. Explore, we already know. Explore goes with this definition. Okay? Like I said before, you were not supposed to do this, but this was helpful for you to identify the meanings. That was perfect. Okay, so you see, explore here, write the meaning. Look for, when you lose something, you look for it. Explore. Explore, the meaning is here. To go to new places and learn new things. Some of you did correct. Okay? Anyway, I just want to go over this because some people have not written and have not given me the work yet, your homework yet. So I want to make this clear how you have to do this vocabulary with the definitions. Okay, that's one thing. Now that you're clear with this, like I said, this is not necessary, pero si esto les ayuda, para mí es perfecto, si es que quieren hacerlo así, pero acá abajo, you have to write the definitions that are here. Okay? You have, it's like matching. It's like matching. Okay. So, for the ones who did perfect, for the ones who need to correct, I would like you to correct. Now, after this vocabulary, we're just going to go over something that we've been working on, and this is the past progressive form. You already know, you're going to say, oh, no, otra vez. Yes, because we're still making mistakes first. And then, because in this unit, we are going to continue working with the past progressive form. So, just to remind you, the past progressive form, we, is the structure of the past progressive form. We have two important verbs when we make sentences. Okay, these important verbs are was and were, y en realidad el tercer verbo sería el verbo, la acción que usamos, plus ing. Si la acción no tiene ing, no es un past progressive form. Si la acción omite la were o was, tampoco es un past progressive form. Entonces, estos tienen que ir juntos, always. Okay, les recuerdo, I just want to remind you that I, he, she, it, these four subject pronouns go with was. And you, we, and they, these three go with where. This when we talk about one, and this when we talk about more than one. So if we talk about more than one, we have to use where. Okay? So here is some, I wrote some statements with was and with where. For example, I was, aquí está el verb, la acción with ing. Si me ponen esto, not correct. It has to be ing. If you write like this, I playing, not correct. It has to be with was. These two go along, siempre juntos y con la ing que tiene que ir de ley. Sin el ing no tiene sentido. El ing is super important. I was playing my guitar last night with was and with were. They were enjoying the party yesterday. See, these are statements. Estoy yendo rápido porque esto ya aprendimos. Okay. After you know this, we are going to see the past tense in the negative form. Solo el was and were lleva el negative. Okay. Entonces, wasn't y weren't es la negative form. Wasn't and weren't. He wasn't working last night, negative. He weren't reading. Acuérdense que si no tiene la ing, no sirve la oración. Este action verb, la acción no puede ir sin el ing, es tan elemental, es como que este es el aire del ing, del aire de este verbo. Sin el ing, el verbo está muerto. Okay, esto es lo que le da vida, ing. Okay, he wasn't working and we weren't reading. Esta es la estructura para un past progressive form, in the negative form. Okay, y esta es la estructura para un statement affirmative. Estos dos son importantes. Ya saben cuándo usan was y cuándo were. Okay, questions and short answers. Question, he wasn't working. Was he working last week? Short answer. ¿Se acuerdan? Was he working? Primero va el verb. Primero va el verb to be. Y luego en las preguntas le separa el subject. Y luego el ing de ley. ¿Se acuerdan? Y el time expression word. Was he working last week? Short answer. Yes, he was. Were we reading? No, we weren't. ¿Ya? ¿Qué tal si me responden no, we was? No way. No, please, we don't have to do that. Okay, after this short review, this is what you are going to do. It's going to be fun. You don't need papers. You don't need notebook. You are going to work here. Okay? See. This is a link. I am going to send you the link. So what do you need to do here? Super easy. We are going to practice the use of past progressive or past continuous. Yesterday is the past tense at 6 p.m. Jane, you just have to click here. Jane. Jane means one Jane. Was sending or were sending. So you just pick one. I would say Jane was sending a text message to her cousin. Judy and Kim, two people, two plural. To Judy and Kim have the afternoon tea. Judy and Kim was having or were having. Okay? Yep. Okay. So that's what you need to do. That's it. Yeah. Now, uh, when you finish this, I would like you to take a. Okay, first, let's go to this part. You click there. Here you check your answers. And you want to send these answers to teacher Laura. So you click here, you write your name, you write sixth grade, A or B, you write English, and here you're going to write my email. Laupada9, I'm going to write this on the presentation. I'm going to give you in the information, I'm going to write my email. You write this and then you send. Esa es una forma. ¿Sí? Si no se animan a hacer eso, if you don't want to do that, you just take a picture and you send it to me. Voy a ver qué tal nos funciona. No he probado si me llega mi email, pero podemos, no perdimos nada experimentando. Okay, so miren, toditos, you just have to pick. Okay, you just have to pick the correct answer. Super duper easy. Ahora, este ejercicio que viene ahorita, esto sí necesita mucha concentración porque es listening. ¿Y qué vamos a hacer? Listening, you are going to do this. Okay, you have to complete here according to the information. Entonces, what are we going to do here?
37.
Okay.
Listening lab exercise 37.
Yeah.
The past continuous tense.
Is the past progressive.
1. I was working this morning.
Yeah. You can stop. And then you write. He says, I was working. Yeah, I was working this morning. Okay. 2.
What were you doing when I called you?
You can stop and write. What were you doing? What were you doing when I called you? You see? It's not hard at all. Si en alguna, también hay con wasn't and weren't, so you have to pay close attention to what the person that talks is saying. So, si es que no volvieron a entender, si no entendieron o les toca, repiten nuevamente, go back and you start all over. Okay, when you finish this, esto sí quiero una picture. No me manden por email, I want a picture. I want a picture of this. Okay, no hard at all. No está nada difícil, ¿cierto? Divertido, challenging, but fun. Okay, so are you clear? I'm going to send a link for this and for the other activity. Yes, like I said, you need to work on this computer, on your computer. Okay, so that's what you need to do. So I'm going to here to do, you're going to work on the interactive worksheets, on the 2 interactive worksheets, and you're going to send this to my mail. Aquí está my mail, but the listening you are going to send with a picture. La actividad de la listening me mandan en foto, ¿ok? La primera actividad pueden mandar a mi correo. La segunda actividad, que tienen la misma opción, pero yo necesito que me envíen una foto. No me manden a mi correo el listening. Tómenme una foto y me envían. Ok, so estamos claros, ¿cierto? Ok, class. Perdón, no vieron esto. Ya. Ok, entonces les estaba explicando que lo que tienen que hacer hoy es work on the two interactive worksheets. That means that you work on your computer. La primera hoja, solo la primera me envían a mi email, a este email. Solo la primera hoja. La segunda hoja, ya no puedo escribir aquí, la segunda hoja, toman foto and you send that to me, como siempre, ¿ok? So, that's all. Eso es todo lo que tenemos que hacer el día de hoy. Va a ser, como les dije, un Fun Friday, Fun and Challenging Friday. Ok, para los que todavía no hicieron la tarea del vocabulary, so you know what to do, la actividad de este vocabulary, you know how to find the definitions, y enjoy working on this fun activity. Okay, have a great weekend, and we'll keep in touch on Monday. Bye, class.